Anong sabi? On the mid-size diesel SUV segment, every car company out there has something to offer. It is quite competitive. It will require you a lot of money to be able to get one whichever brand you choose. But what if you want something that's just not loaded, pero practical, durable, reliable of course, family-friendly, at medyo magaan sa bulsa? Well, I think I got the vehicle on the right variant for you. This is the 2026 Isuzu MU-X LSA 4x2. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo, sobrang malapit sa puso ang brand na Isuzu. Well, primarily because of all the many videos I made. Ewan ko, every time I do an Isuzu, blockbuster ang views, and I truly appreciate that. Maraming salamat po. At ito na naman ako, natsyempohan ko ang MU-X. And it is quite nice that I have here the variant that I am most interested at. Well, kasi practicality, ito po kasing aspeto in car ownership is big time for me and I guess for everyone. Kasi sa usapang sasakyan, kahit ano pa siya, kung ano man ang ino-offer niya, has to be practical to own. Yung pakiramdam mo in a way, it is more of an asset rather than a liability. And for sure, mararamdaman mo yan sa variant na to ng MU-X. Base model po ito pero kahit saan bahagi mo siya tignan, it doesn't look like one. Sa tindig pa lang, kung ganong kabrusko siya, you will be glad to know that this costs less than $1 million from the top of the line variant ng MU-X, which is the 3-liter LSE 4x4. That is a significant amount of money, but still, there is no way you feel that you are deprived of the features and amenities for this SUV. Sa design, kita naman na hindi siya mukhang base model. Malalaki ang gulong. I like the aluminum alloy wheels, size 17, same front grille. It has that dynamic plate headlight look. Very commanding. Noong una ko siya nakita yung front fascia na to, naisip ko it is like something that you will grow to like. It's not something na makaka-captivate ka agad. Wala siyang ganun effect para sa akin, pero I can say that it is beyond that. It has that look that represents a lot about what being a true Isuzu is. It is bold, strong, practical. Yung longevity factor, andun kita mo agad. Alam mo na nandun yung description na yun. For sure, you will buy an Isuzu, you will want to keep it for a long time. At andun yung confidence mo na hindi ka bibiguin ng sasakyan na to. And one of the design accents that caught my attention, itong horizontal tail lamp niya sa likod. It adds that touch of sophistication. Kasi pag sinabing Isuzu is more of like masculinity, power, ruggedness, yung mga characteristics na yun. But this design accent adds a touch of elegance sa kanya. But much more in the design, main reason kung bakit to base model is its engine. Major factor po yan kasi it is not powered by the Ford JJ3 TCX 3-liter diesel, but this is with the 1.9-liter RZ4E turbocharged engine. Output po is 150 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. Pag titignan nyo, it is 1 liter off in size sa counterpart niya, but you have no doubt for its power and reliability. Bakit? This is an Isuzu. So pag-usapan po natin yan, let's deep dive. Several good takeaways at yung mga realistic advantages niya. Una, significantly better sa fuel efficiency. Engineered po siya under Isuzu's Blue Power strategy, prioritizing lower fuel consumption at operating costs. Highway ranging around 15 to 17 kilometers per liter. Kasi po, smaller displacement, less fuel ang kinokombust niyan. Ideal po talaga for daily driving, long commutes, at kung negosyante ka, this is perfect kung kailangan mo maglabas ng mga fleet vehicles. Number 2, mas magaan yung weight ng makina. Well, given naman yan, 60 kilograms po lighter than the 3-liter counterpart po to. Ang advantages niyan, yung front axle weight balance niya sa harap, mas maganda, mas efficient ang braking, mas maganda ang ride comfort, at hindi po masyadong stress yung kanyang drivetrain dahil yung power hindi masyadong overwhelming. You get better vehicle dynamics. Yun nga, less mechanical stress overall, especially in city or mixed driving. Number 3, lower maintenance cost. Smaller ang oil capacity from I think around 6.6 liter of oil lang kailangan nito kumpara sa 3-liter counterpart na mas marami. At syempre, dinesign siya na 1.9 liter lang, fewer ang components niya. Kahit pareho ang service, yung PMS intervals mo, mas lower ang cost. Mas may savings sa total cost of ownership. Yun ang pinaka-advantage niya. Number 4, mas quieter at smoother po to, lalo na for urban driving. Engineered, syempre, kanyang NVH levels mas maganda. Kung paano siya dinesign, yung mga components na ginamit, you get a more quiet engine. Ride quality, ini-improve niya. In a way, you get that car-like driving experience versus na binibigay sa iyo ng mas malaki niyang counterpart. Number 5, excellent torque. Para sa size niya, talaga naman ma-impress ka. As I've said, 360 Newton meters of torque kumpara sa mga ibang engine na umaabot ng mga 2.5 liter para ma-produce yung torque na yan. At alam naman natin, better torque means to say confident ka sa overtaking, towing, andon, kayang-kaya for not so very heavy loads. Mga paahon, kayang-kaya niya yan. Kaya ibig sabihin po niyan, enough power is given while staying fuel efficient. Number 6, of course, better emission kasi owning this vehicle, you're future-proof in countries na naghihigpit sa diesel regulations. That's a big point. Number 7, proven reliability despite the smaller size. Well, it's Isuzu's durable architecture. Yun talaga yan. Extensive use po sa mga kitang-kita naman through time, nalakan talaga pagdududa, longevity, reliability. And with Isuzu, an engine like this, smaller does not mean weaker. It has that Isuzu's longevity and toughness reputation. Sa 7 advantages na pinag-usapan natin, alam mo na kung sakto to para sa pangangailangan mo on a daily basis. However, being a base model doesn't mean na tinipid to sa features and safety. Kaya umpisahan na natin. Yan po ang kanyang mga features, di ba? At dito na po tayo sa importanteng part niya. Ito po ang kanyang pricing. At dito po sa Isuzu Taytay, may ongoing promo sila na 38k down payment para sa variant na to. Kaya pasyal na po kayo dito. Andito lang sila sa tapat ng SM City, Taytay. Sa pagtatapos, honestly, if given the chance to own a MU-X, hands down, I would choose this one. Sakto lang talaga, nothing to pay extra for features that personally I don't need or I don't see myself using. This one will fit me well, and I'm sure it will be the same to you. Ito po ang Isuzu MU-X LSA 4x2. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. As always, drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.